You guys gotta see this. This place is shut down. It's the main entrance. I have to show you something. So this is all shut down. There's actually, you have to see this. There's a freaking whole bar full of booze. And you walk through here. Press tour. Let me see if there is a date on this. Nope. Look at these pots. Like serious, this stuff is all going to waste. How pretty. Can you imagine? Oh my God, like a couple of... Oh, look at the chandelier. Look at the chandelier. Oh my God. Reception.
I'm having a total deja vu. I've been here. I've never rented a vehicle, drove around here, and it was all operating. And that was like 3 years ago.
That's insane.
Look at this front with all the palm trees.
Oh, but honestly, the stuff is like still in good
I know.
like, it's not even... This place could be totally restored.
Tennis courts over there, taxi.
Yeah, that's where the pool is
Grand
too.
entrance.
Like,
It's crazy, isn't it?
the lights are on.
I do that.
Oh yeah, because look at the plants, my God.
Look at your GoPro still there. Look at this front entrance. This is crazy. The phone's still here.
The phone? You want to make a phone call?
Look at that. It's crazy. I'm surprised it's got an absence of cameras. She had tons of cameras. It's like people just walked out of here and left.
Yeah.
Look at lights over
Yeah,
here.
I know. That's what I thought. And then, like
It is. It's like,
there's
here.
pots.
There's the lid. There's another pool further. Hey? Starfish Jolly Beach Resort.
Starfish Jolly Beach
Look
Resort.
at this. Lunch will be held at the Fantasy Pool Room
So is
Sunday,
there a
March the
date?
22nd, 2020.
2020.
So this shut down. This is a product of
COVID.
COVID. Yep.
Ay, what a shame.
Yep.
And these pots
result
over
is the
there.
result of
Like
COVID.
look at those pots.
I
Like
know.
that alone is just wow.
This is crazy.
You wanna go bathroom?
No,
Yeah. Bougainvillea conference room.
crack under pressure.
Oh, look at the glass windows over there.
Oh yeah. Wow.
Are we allowed to be in here?
I don't know. We are not.
Holy shit. Oh my God, that's a chocholova. Look at this.
Not a cockahole,
Wow, but look at it. This is just like,
oh cool.
oh my God. Look at this. You know what? This, like seriously, this is a piece that you could,
Mold in there.
oh yeah.
We'll read that.
But that piece alone, like holy, like you could sell that for, oh, but there's a whole bunch of,
Made of Lucerne. Look at this. Look at it. Look at it. Look at it.
yeah. Well, the Boucher watches.
There's the bridge though.
Yeah, you walked on that. I did many times too. Well, I guess they have water here. Hey. What?
There's the pool table.
Oh yeah. And they got a whole bunch of hangers. Oh my God, there could be a whole shop here. I could open up a store here. Look at that. You see this?
And a shuffleboard. Oh wait, there's two pool tables.
Yeah. Look at these glass doors.
It's only 2 years. Look at how quickly stuff decays, eh?
Oh my god.
2 years.
You want a palm tree? Take one home. Pull. Oh, look at the art too.
I know.
Like,
This reminds me of the hurricane when it came through.
there, you want look at the cushions. Holy jeez.
I know.
Why?
I'm surprised the kids aren't all over this.
I know.
Making a mess.
And vandalizing it, eh?
Vandalizing it. Sort of cool or not. And I wonder if there's some security guards here.
Well, probably they're gonna come after us shortly.
Yep.
Look at that. Espresso machine.
Holy crap. This is crazy.
The lights are on in there too.
Mm-hmm. Look at the big eating area. This is, you know what?
I
There's a
know, the
buffet.
barbecue.
Buffet, you sit out there. Look at all the buffets. Yep.
There's a whole bunch of cushions. Look at this.
Crazy.
Like, you could just sell the stuff too.
That's
Like that.
crazy.
Hmm.
You don't care.
Anybody wants any chairs?
Yeah.
Says, please do not enter.
Hmm?
It says, please do not enter. Somehow.
Yeah, let's put it this way. Yeah, this is a huge open area outside. Okay. 4 bedrooms there. This is a huge complex. They have a complex like this in Mexico. Well, the St. James Club is the same. Baha'i Principe, they used to call it.
Alright, I think you've seen enough. This is just a shame.
Yeah.
And the beachfront is like absolutely. What on earth is that? Coffee? No, nuts. Oh my god. What is it? Chocolate?
No, chocolates are small. I'm not sure what they are. Walnuts. Something like that.
Walnuts.
Here, I'm gonna try one. I'm gonna try something on my phone.
So I want everybody to know that we just looked around. We didn't damage anything. We didn't look anywhere and took anything. Just simply looked around and we're just speechless of what we saw. It's absolutely beautiful. Could be restored. At the end of this Jolly Bay, look at what we saw. Coco Point is an absolute fantastic, beautiful resort. It's for adults only, I believe. It's stunning. So maybe one day, enjoy it too.